Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, daily basis in live market. Automatically you will receive calls like now a buy call generator na, like this you will receive calls in live market. In this chart you are just going to watch the chart, like you are watching the video right now. You are just going to watch the chart on daily basis. It will provide the signal. Whenever a trend changes, you will receive signal like this, the new candle color, entry point, target 1 and 2, stop loss. Like this call will come in live market. In this chart, manual trading also possible, auto trading also possible. But auto trading we will connect with your broker account, so it will automatically initiate the signal. Whenever a signal came, it will automatically place the order for you. So like this chart will work automatically. Whenever a signal generated, it will provide calls like this in live market. Today a buy call generated at buy at 42,340 range. That is almost a peak range only. Since it's a buy call, let's wait and see how it works. And our first target range is more than a 100 point target, that is more than 106 point is required. 42,446, that is the breakout point. Let's wait and see how it break out the first target range. For second target, it is almost double of the first target range. Below red color line is the stop loss line. After 40 minutes of the market movement, it finally able to break out the first target range. The 100 point target is breakout, and within 5 minutes of the buy call generator, it has given 80 point, but right now it triggered the first target range also. So the 100 point target got reached. This is direct a weekly option chart, 42,100 call option, coming week expiry. So this at 283 the buy call generated, and market currently trading about 380 range. So like this you can directly apply in option chart also, but it will give you the entry point only. There will be no target stop loss, since option is having no standard premium like that. So due to that reason we are not providing any target or stop loss, but according to the future you can exit also. If you want this chart, if you want to know more about detail about this chart, means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.